At the end of the video, we'll point you to a resource that will walk you through the process step by step and allow you to form an LLC for free. In addition, you will get a surprise gift that will help you to start your business on the right foot. Setting up an LLC, limited liability company, for truck drivers involves several steps. Here's a general guide to help you navigate the process. 1. Research and planning. Understand the benefits of forming an LLC for your trucking business. LLCs offer limited liability protection, flexibility in management, and potential tax advantages. Research state-specific requirements and regulations for forming an LLC. Each state has its own rules regarding LLC formation, so it's essential to comply with the regulations in your state. 2. Choose a name. Select a unique and memorable name for your LLC that complies with your state's naming requirements. Typically, the name must include Limited Liability Company or an abbreviation like LLC. 3. Registered agent. Designate a registered agent for your LLC. A registered agent is responsible for receiving legal documents and official correspondence on behalf of your business. This can be an individual or a registered agent service. 4. File articles of organization. Prepare and file the articles of organization with the Secretary of State or the appropriate state agency. This document officially establishes your LLC and includes basic information such as the LLC name, registered agent, business address, and member/manager information. 5. Operating agreement. Draft an operating agreement for your LLC. While not always required by law, an operating agreement outlines the ownership structure, management responsibilities, profit distribution, and other important details of your business. This document helps prevent misunderstandings among members and provides clarity on how the LLC will operate. 6. Obtain necessary permits and licenses. Depending on the nature of your trucking business and your location, you may need to obtain various permits and licenses to operate legally. These might include a commercial driver's license, CDL, motor carrier authority, MC number, Department of Transportation, DOT, registration, and any state or local permits required for transporting goods. 7. Tax identification number. Obtain an employer identification number, EIN, from the Internal Revenue Service, IRS. An EIN is necessary for opening a business bank account, filing taxes, and hiring employees, if applicable. 8. Open a business bank account. Open a separate bank account for your LLC to keep your personal and business finances separate. This is important for maintaining the limited liability protection offered by the LLC structure. 9. Insurance. Consider obtaining insurance coverage tailored to the needs of your trucking business. This may include commercial auto insurance, cargo insurance, liability insurance, and workers' compensation insurance. 10. Compliance and ongoing requirements. Stay compliant with all state and federal regulations governing trucking businesses. This includes maintaining accurate records, filing taxes on time, renewing licenses and permits, and adhering to safety regulations set by the DOT. It's advisable to consult with legal and financial professionals familiar with the trucking industry and LLC formation to ensure you meet all legal requirements and set up your business for success. Thank you for watching. As we conclude this video, go to the description below this video for a resource that will walk you through the process step by step and allow you to form an LLC for free. In addition, you will get a surprise gift that will help you to start your business on the right foot.